Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'd like to show you how to make this ultimate macaroni and cheese with cauliflower and broccoli, and just follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, now I'm going to put the okra inside the pan here. Okay, we're going to turn this off, put this away to the side. Okay, now we're going to boil our water. It's important not to add your noodles until after your water boil, or your noodles will become soggy. It will screw the whole process up. Okay, that's what we're looking for right there. Now we're going to add in noodles. I'm using wheat noodles, more a better choice, but you can use what you prefer. Another thing that I like to add into this with the water is some broccoli and some cauliflower. We're just going to add it into water to help steam it down. Okay, before we start adding, hang on, I have to turn that off. Before we go ahead and start adding in the cheese, we're going to put some chopped up black olives over this. Come back and we're going to mix that together with some cheese. Okay, we're going to start off with some powdered cheese. Okay, we're going to mix in the powdered cheese with the American white. We'll put this camera down because it takes both. Okay, we're now going to add in our okra, fried okra. And we're going to stir this together. Okay, now we're going to add this can of prime cheddar. You can also use that for nacho cheese, but I'm trying to put this in here. Okay, we'll stir this in and come back. Okay, now we're going to add in some 3 cheese crumblies. It's got cheddar, Colby Jack, and Monterey. And we're just going to sprinkle this all in. Open it up better. Okay, I guess that was all that one. Okay, we got some straight up sharp cheddar. We're going to add that in there. I want to be as generous as you want, because this is going to be a mac and cheese, the ultimate. Okay, for the first part, we're going to put a foil this so the cheese does not burn when it gets done. That way we can put it in there for good. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. Look at that. Cheese, broccoli, cauliflower, okra. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so tasty. It is so good. Oh my god, it's so cheesy. That's rich, but it's cheesy. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more notifications so you don't miss an episode of my videos. Y'all have a blessing day.